Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Peter Griffin outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to change the skin tone real quick, and I'm going to go here and go to the masculine face and add in like a face. I'm just going to add this one. You can add any face that you'd like. Go here and then change the hair to this like buzz cut one and make it a little bit darker like this. And then you are going to grab these glasses like so. Also, I can't play in free play mode currently, so we're just gonna have to do it here. Make these pants like this like green color, and like wear some shoes, some loafers. I don't know, it's totally up to you like how you want to style this. It has like dark brown or black shoes. I don't remember. I need to look the reference up, but you can look it up. Okay, then go here, get the cupcake outfit, and you are going to color this the same like green for the pants, and the rest you're just going to color white for his shirt. Then I'm just going to grab this one for the shirt, and that is it. This is your Peter Griffin outfit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.